If you own an iPhone and you're trying to figure out how to record your screen, this step-by-step guide is for you. I'll be using the iPhone 11, so simply head over to your phone settings, scroll and look for the control center icon, tap and open the control center. So in the control center, you have the controls that are included first, as you can see, and below that are more controls. So let's scroll down in the more controls part and look for the screen recording control. Tap the green plus sign to put the screen recording on the included controls part. In the control center, as you can see, it's now highlighted on the included controls part. So to record your iPhone screen, simply swipe down to reveal the control center. We notice that screen recording icon is now added in the control center, and once you tap it, it gives you a countdown, a 3, 2, 1 countdown to start recording your iPhone screen. Simple as that. So by default, the audio or the microphone is turned off, so whatever you will be recording doesn't have sound. So to enable the microphone, simply long press to reveal more controls and toggle microphone on and off as you please. You can stop the recording by tapping the red sign on the upper left corner of your phone. The screen recording by default will be saved in the Photos folder. Well, that's how to record your screen on an iPhone. If you find value in this video, please hit the like button. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you're new to my channel, just go ahead and subscribe. Until next time.